In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view invoice history for Skool Group. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review past charges, confirm which card was billed, and keep your records tidy for accounting or reimbursements. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Skool. You'll likely see a few results, including ads, so make sure you click the official Skool website. If you already have it bookmarked, even better, go straight there to save time. Once you land on the site, sign into your account. Use the same login method you originally set up, whether that's email and password or a connected sign-in like Google. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step so you can access your dashboard securely. If you ever run into login issues, try resetting your password or switching to a different browser profile where you're already signed in. After you're in, head to your community. If you're part of multiple groups, choose the one whose invoices you want to review. Inside that community, look for the Settings button in the top navigation bar and click it. This is where all the administrative and configuration options live, including billing. In Settings, locate and select the Billing tab. This section centralizes your subscription details, payment method, and invoice visibility, so it's the best place to verify charges or prepare month-end reports. Next, click the Manage Subscription button. This will open your subscription portal, often in a new tab or a pop-up window. Give it a moment to load if your connection is slow. This portal is where you can manage the plan, payment methods, and, most importantly for this video, view your invoices. Inside the subscription portal, choose View Payment History. Here, you'll see a chronological list of your monthly invoices, including the date, amount, status, and the card that was billed, typically displayed by its last 4 digits. Scan this list to confirm recent charges or to check historical payments for bookkeeping. If you need copies for your records, look for options within this view to open an invoice or save a receipt. If you don't see what you need, try refreshing the page or checking again from a desktop browser. A quick tip: if you can't find the Billing tab or the Manage Subscription button, your account might not have the necessary permissions. In that case, ask a community owner or admin to check the billing settings for you. And if you notice the wrong card is being charged, you can usually update the payment method from the same subscription portal. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to your Skool Group, open Settings, access billing, manage your subscription, and view your full payment history with clarity and confidence.